The sun, a persistent painter, often struggles to illuminate the deepest corners of Vancouver's older homes, especially those built during the early 1980s. These were houses of their time, often robust and quietly futuristic in their own way, yet frequently constrained by lower ceilings and compartmentalized spaces. One such split-level house, a product of that era, stood on a prominent corner. Its original builder details a testament to a period of architecture without architects that, while often disparaged, truly reflected the families who lived within its walls. But time, and perhaps a desire for something more, had brought Darcy Jones Architects to its doorstep, ready to embark on a transformation that would honor its past while boldly stepping into the present. The initial approach was radical yet respectful, gutting and rebuilding the interior while preserving the exterior shell. The first act of liberation involved the removal of constricted stairs, dropped ceilings, and non-load-bearing walls that had once segmented the living areas. This bold intervention unlocked a long, angular space, revealing an airy sense of volume that is a rarity in Vancouver today, given current restrictions on ceiling heights in new builds. The existing window locations were kept, a nod to the house's structural integrity, but then cleverly elongated, inviting the outside in with generous streams of light. Furthermore, the house's prime corner location was capitalized upon with the addition of corner windows, framing panoramic views of the established neighborhood and truly connecting the interior with its surroundings. The exterior remained a subtle counterpoint to the dramatic interior transformation. The house's existing simple builder details were meticulously preserved or repaired, creating a compelling contrast between the old and the new. This thoughtful approach wasn't just about aesthetics, it was a deliberate act of dignifying an often overlooked period of Western Canadian architecture, celebrating its inherent robustness and its genuine reflection of the families it housed. It acknowledged that the best domestic building of the 1980s was a continuation of British Columbia's century-old wood-frame building traditions, a lineage that sadly veered towards faux finishes and unnatural materials in subsequent decades. This renovation, however, was a firm rejection of that later trend. Every material chosen was real, designed to patina with age, ensuring the house's longevity for another century. The interior became a masterclass in texture and light, heated concrete floors providing a grounded warmth, raw waxed steel adding an industrial edge, bleached oak plywood offering a touch of natural softness, and sculpted white drywall creating a clean, artistic backdrop. The result is a series of spaces, both simple and complex, that breathe with a newfound life, a testament to how thoughtful design can elevate and honor a home's heritage while preparing it for a vibrant future. If you enjoyed this look at sustainable design and how a house can be given a second, even more vibrant life, make sure to hit that like button. What was your favorite part of this renovation? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into unique architecture and design. We'll see you in the next video.